Hi there. I want to share some brief words of Torah with you about this week's parsha, which of course is Vayakel and Pikudei. The parsha opens up with Shabbat. The idea of Shabbat. The idea of Shabbat is that there really are two essential elements: Zachor and Shamor. Zachor is to recall the Shabbat, the positive aspects of Shabbat. Shamor is the Shmirah, the things that we do not do to maintain the sanctity and the dignity of the Shabbat. There are 39 melachot, 39 general rules, general categories of work that we refrain from doing on Shabbat in order to best maintain the dignity and sanctity of Shabbat. These 39 are learned from the Mishkan. There's a juxtaposition in which the Shabbat and the building of the Mishkan in our parsha take place, and that is that one follows right after the other. And the parsha begins with Shabbat and immediately moves into Mishkan, the building of the Mishkan. The building of the Mishkan incorporates three separate elements. These separate elements are agriculture, which includes food, clothing, and shelter. Why? Because if you think about it, the 39 melachot, the 39 general principles of work on Shabbat, can be subdivided or generally categorized in those three separate elements, which are food, clothing, and shelter. Why? Because food, clothing, and shelter are man's humanity's basic requirements, basic needs. When you think about it from this perspective, it's not so prohibitive. Shabbat is not so prohibitive, right? Why? Because what is Shabbat? Shabbat is where Hashem tells you, don't engage in those basic needs for yourself. Rather, Zachor, rather recall and remember and focus on me, on your connection and your relationship with me. That, in a nutshell, is what Shabbat is all about. On the one hand, you have Shmirah, where you withhold yourself, you hold yourself back from doing those basic needs, from taking care of your own basic needs. And then on the other hand, you have Shamar, which means, according to a book called the Ketavei Kabbalah, what that basically means is that there are certain positive aspects, elements of Shabbat, which is to meditate, to think about Hashem, to learn Torah, to pray with more concentration and more intensity than you do the rest of the week. That, in a nutshell, is what Shabbat is all about. With that, I want to wish you a Shabbat Shalom, a wonderful Shabbat, a Shabbat where we keep the spirit and the law of all 39 melachot, as well as, of course, the ultimate purpose of Shabbat, which is Zachor, to recall, to remember the Shabbat. Shabbat Shalom. Have a wonderful Shabbos.